Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set caller ID announcement in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First, go to this call button and click on these three vertical dots. Click on settings there. Now you have to click on here caller ID announcement and click on announce caller ID, and by default it is set to never, so caller ID will not be announced when you receive call, but if you select always it will be announced. If you select only when using a headset, then only if your phone is connected with the headset, caller ID will be announced, and all other situations it will not be announced. Here I would like to check it by setting it always, and now I make a call from another phone.
Incoming voice call from Doraemon. Incoming voice call from Doraemon. Incoming voice call from Doraemon. Incoming voice call from Doraemon.
Caller ID announcement is done.
Incoming voice call from Doraemon.
So in this way you can easily set caller ID announcement on your phone OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.